show you quick. First thing you will need to know is the quality of your video is determined by the camera using. So if your camera is bad, you cannot make it better in Premiere Pro. But now, as you can see, I will click on this clip, press I as an in point, go at the end of the clip and press O as an end point. So this will select the area that I want to be exported. Then go over to export right here. Then select the location. So go right here and select where you want your video to be rendered. So I will create folder render and then save it here. Then first thing you will need to do, don't do this match source. Go ahead and select the preset high quality, but go over to 4K. So high quality 4K is a really high quality video. Then this leave H264, then click on this video drop down menu, and now as you can see, Ultra HD, go over to more, render at maximum depth, you have to click this, use maximum render quality, click this as well. Now go down and you have to click on this, click VBR pass 2. So this will basically render 2 times and then combine together, so it will be way better. So for 4K I will recommend 40 and 45, something like this. So this will the first time, this will the second time, and it will be really high quality. Here you can see the video size, and here you can see how the video will look. So now go over and export it, click on export, and as you can wait, it will export pretty fast because it is really a short clip. So as you can see, pass 1 and then pass 2, it stopped in the middle for a while, so now it will stop as well and combine the 2 clips. Now as you can see, where I go over here and I will look where my video is in this render folder. Now as you can see, it is really high quality. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.